By today, I'm working down through my list of NFL games. You can see that we loaded 309 games into AWS. There's 151 upcoming. Every time I click these buttons, we're hitting a interface for the API and calling that data set out of our calendar server stack right there. So that said, I'm going to go back to the demo. Today's the 27th. You can see there's 13 games for today, the 27th. And in particular, what I'm going to show you is how I send batch of calendar invites to a list. And that list is right here. I'm going to scroll down. It's a text file. I uploaded it. I can show you a list there. And what I'm going to do is pick out a game. So you can see here in the picker, I just sent one out for, over here to the right, an email inbox on Google. The last one I sent out was for the Colts at the Houston Texans. I'm going to go down to game number 5 for today for the demo. And that's Ravens at the Browns. That's at 11 a.m. as well in a little bit. I'm going to go down to the picker and say yes. And you're going to see the 11 calendar invites sent out to this email list. And this email list now is buffering to the API gateway here. And what it's doing is making a call out of the list manager, and the API is being hit. And the hit is send a single calendar invitation to that email. And it's parsing it here with a UID out of DynamoDB. And it's hitting SES, the simple email service by AWS, and it's going into our database we've built here on Dynamo. And that particular database is for the calendar invite UID and a few more things. And we are building it in the raw, right on the fly, using the multi-part API from AWS. It sends it out, and then we collect the receipts on it, and then we run it through an analyzer here we've built in Lambda to look at the data. So that said, I'm going to run you through the demo. Super simple. And you can see here, Ravens at the Browns I sent. There it is right there. I'm going to click on it, say yes for that one. I'm going to go to the other email, and you can see Ravens at the Browns. I'm going to say yes. And in our picker over here in the live interface, I'm going to go up to reports, get reports. I'm going to go down through the data set here in S3. I'm going to go here to the 27th. And in particular, I'm looking for the Ravens. All I need to do is type in Rav. And you can see here in the search head, we come right up. You can see I sent 11. 2 have responded back. That means I've collected the data from the calendar receipts themselves and can analyze those on scale. This tech stack does work on AWS Pinpoint and would allow you to use this same automation workflow to send out millions of calendar invites. Thanks for stopping by.